andyan sila Regine, Sharon, Sarah Geronimo. Would it be possible na this time makadiscover naman ng, let's say, isang rapper or isang tibo na pwedeng maging like Aiza na maging superstar?
Nung dinevelop po yung show at inulit ng Viva ang Rising Star na ngayon ay Born to be a Star, umaasa ang Viva na makakahanap ng maraming stars. Hindi lang yung grand champion naman ang magiging star dito eh. Gaya po na nangyari kay Mark Bautista, si Sarah Geronimo ang nanalo ng panahon na yun. Yung Star for a Night nag-yield ng several stars for Philippine entertainment. Umaasa rin po kami na ang programang ito at this time, this season, this year, makakahanap tayo ng isa, dalawa, o 5 na stars, regardless of the preference or gender, male and female, ito naman po ang aming search.
But for the judges, do you think may disadvantage or advantage ang gender preference ng isang contestant?
Ako masasabi ko dyan, ako personally, nakatingin ako sa galing. Nakatingin ako sa kagaling at kung paano siya kukonect sa aming lahat. And I think dapat ganun din tayo bilang manonood. We should stop looking at gender, at kung anong sexual preference, but focus on what is important and essential, which is talent, heart. Yun ang dapat tignan natin. And we should start doing that. Not just the judges, but all of us.
So dating ko lang di Aiza, since ikaw syempre exceptional ka, di ba, dahil nag-start ka as child actress. Pero yung sa tingin mong madidiscover, magkakaroon ng future sa showbiz kung sakali, hindi kaya siya malilimit sa mga roles and mga offers na may bibigay sa kanya?
Well, sa totoo lang, ma'am, ako po hanggang ngayon, limitado po ako. And I guess it's part of coming out. Kumbaga, right now, we're in a society na hindi pa talaga ganun ka-accepted. Kumbaga, we are very tolerant, yes, but acceptance, the full acceptance is not there yet. I lost work because I got married. Yes.
Talaga?
My wife and I lost work because we got married. So, yes, masasabi ko na until now, we're still there. We're still doon sa tolerant pa lang tayo sa sitwasyon ng LGBT. But yun nga hopefully, ako, siguro isa sa mga hopes ko is, sana may manalo dito, kahit hindi mag-top, pero may maka-place na nasa LGBT rin. And sana mag-shine siya. Because mas maraming LGBT na lumalabas at pinapakita nila kung sino sila regardless of who they are. Mas makikita ng mga tao na hindi naman pala kami iba sa inyo.
But at least ngayon may trabaho ka.
Yes, and I'm happy. I'm happy that after a few months, no, kasi after a few months of, when we got married, after a few months, no, wala na kami ng work. So it was very hard because we were paying off so many bills and everything. We just got married, tas biglang crash, walang work. So I'm happy that now, meron kaming adobo business at the same time, may movies din yung wife ko and ako working then. So yes, it's just part of life, I guess. Kumbaga, yun nga, there are certain things that you have to face, di ba? Especially with us, couples like us, meron talaga na kailangan namin harapin. And more than anything, I'm just happy that it made us stronger, yung bond namin mag-asawa.
At least napanindigan mo, Aiza. Congrats. And si Ogie, Pops, and the rest, what's your stand on that? Parang, sa tingin niyo ba, posible na magkaroon ng grand winner na belong sa LGBT community?
Oh yeah.